Sound check. Dang. My first stream crashed. So let me just copy. This one is 9.1. Okay, let me just okay. So yeah. when I killed Blender, I think it took the render the GPU with it for some reason. It crashed. There's a prompt on my OBS saying something about the encoder, like should have took a screenshot, but something about the encoder being unresponsive or something sort. Anyway, I have a different idea. So how about we have, oh, I could see it from here. So we have two of these, one located like up here, the other one down here. So I'm thinking of making a copy of it, moving it back to 0, and then I'm gonna use the glow material. Let's see how it would look like. So like there should be something glowing from inside. Oh, yeah, I shouldn't used let me undo that. So yeah, instead of instance duplicate, I'll make a real copy of it. There you go. Oh wow. And for now, I'm gonna drop my bounces. Like, I'm gonna try 4 for now, cause I'm kinda, oh yeah, before I forget, I'm going to set this to 1 so rendering doesn't take too much time. I'm gonna save it and see how it renders. Wow, it's still taking some time. But show you the remaining. There's still a remaining time, but yeah, I think it looks better. Let's go back to this mode here. Though maybe we could make it thicker. Like 2. No, I think 2 is too much. 1.5. Yeah, I think 1.5 works. We have like something glowing there. Although I think I am not quite sure if I like the glowing edge here. I might need, it's either we increase the edge of this one to like remove that thing, or maybe make it smaller to like really allow the glow. Let's see. Let me edit this one. Let me isolate. Oh, it won't let me. There you go. Maybe let's scale it along the anti-Z. Like, make it smaller like that. Oh, yeah, I think it's much better. Oh, look at that. So at an angle, if you're looking at it straight, you just see like a ring, but if you angle it, you see something. Oh, now I have now I kind of have something for this one. Is there a way for me to like modify this one? Let me see. Let me create a backup of this one. Let's see, this one's the top. Select the lower part. Let's rename it. go. And then we have the emblem glow here. But I'm going to attempt to create a backup. Modify it. Let me see. Oops. Kinda want to just select these parts here. Yeah, including that. There you go. Let's see if we could like scale it anti-Z. Make it small. No. Oh, we are try it again. See if we can make it small. But I think it's better if we make another one. So let's see. I'm gonna delete this one. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this one because we have a backup anyway. And then let's find the original backup. Oh, we don't need this one anymore. It was supposed to be like our handle, but we ended up creating our handle part of the main sword. This one was the emblem hole. No, sword hole. Emblem main hole. How about this one? Oh, I think this is the... Yeah, this is the original. So we're going to recycle this one. We're going to make it 1.5. Yeah, I think this is the correct one. And then let's locate which one is this? Oh, this one. Yeah, we'll need this one. So let's call this emblem hole. And I'm gonna make a copy of this one. And isolate it for now. Edit it. Perhaps it would be better if we disable the array first. Let's see. It would help if we can add these things here, so we can have like a reference. And then make this one show up again here. Wait. Where's the there you go. Viewport textured. There you go. So this is the copy. I'm gonna attempt to resize this one. Anti-Z. Oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Select everything. And scale it anti-Z. There you go. Oh. No. I don't wanna do that. But yeah, I think there's kind of a way to fix that. Yeah, let's do this scaling first. Something around that. And then rotate it along Z axis like that. Yeah, I think that would do. There you go. Yeah, I think it's well defined. And then let's make another backup of this one. And this one and this one. Like that. Oh. There you go. So even if you're looking at it straight, there's a glow to it, like that. Yeah, I think it's much better now. And don't forget that this sword is going to be on Patreon, so if you like it, let me just save it. You can get it on the Patreon. Okay, I'm thinking we're done with this part. Let's see if we could add something more. I'm thinking of something like a runic thing, like along the face of it. Is there like a rune font? I have font awesome, but it's not exactly like a rune. Let me do a quick search on the font awesome if there's like a rune symbol here. Search runes. Nah. There's no runic symbol here. Oh, let's see if there's a rune font. That's like free runic font. Oh, oh wow. Are these? Oh, they're personal use free only. But there's one like 100% free. But it doesn't really look like runes. It's like letters that are formed into something. Oh, I think this one looks good. 100% free. Oh, let's get this one. Sorry if oh, oh, it's person. There's a font here. I don't know if I should show you this. I'm scared of having like a strike from YouTube, so I'll just describe it to you. If you remember, do you remember the Lord of the Ring? The ring. There's an inscription around the inner part of the ring. There's a font here, font space.com, but it's personal use only. So, dang. Although there's like two other fonts that are interesting and it's 100% free. So I guess I'm gonna get one of them. And let me just install the font. Actually, I'm just gonna copy it over like a folder. Oh wow, there's so many font in here. Which one? Let me just copy it over the folder here. Packages. Storming. There's an info text here. Let me read it first. What's an open font license? Let me check that. Oh, that's good. So yeah, it can be commercially used. So yeah, since this one is safe, I'm gonna copy it over my font folder. Let me give me a second here. Package. Okay. So let's do that. Let's try and add a sort of inscription here. Okay, let me select the font first. Assets, fonts, package. Oh, it's taking time to load. Storming. Let's see. It's under S. I have so many fonts under my package font because it's like I bought a lot of fonts from DC. Oh, found it. Which one looks better? I'm going for bold. That's a bit italic. Yeah, let's do that. Can you see it? It's kind of hard to see. I don't know what to type in here. I'm just going for this one's supposed to be like test, but no, it looks weird, so I don't know. Let's just invent something like that. I don't know if you know what I typed. There you go. Oh, it's too long. Is that what she said? 0.018. There you go. Something around that. Then let's lower it a little bit. Like that. Yeah, I think that's good. And then, just like before, we're gonna need I think we should add a separate because it's getting crowded here. So I'm going to move my main impaler sword the empty, which is part of the top and the bottom emblem. So I'm gonna select them all. The emblem whole. Wait. Let me just perform a parent here. Oh. What happened? Oh. Still not oh, where's this one? Oh, we need to rename this one emblem glow, like that. Should be part of the emblem top. And these two also, we need to have it part of the emblem top. This text here. Okay, this one. The whole hierarchy. I'm gonna move them here. Oh, we don't need this anymore, so I'm gonna delete it. We don't need the light, I think. Or do we? Let me do a quick save. Let me just preview it. Yeah, I think the light that we had earlier, it's probably one of those that's causing the weird slowdown. Oh, I'm not supposed to perform that right now. This text is just the title. I think we've pretty much moved around a lot of stuff. We have the emblem. Okay, I think we're ready to go. So just like before, or I think yeah, I'm referring to the my forge bits. So I'm gonna move this one along the x-axis like that, scale it, move it again, scale it, just enough to like cover the whole thing. Edit, subdivide by, let's see, about 100. Yeah, I think that's enough. Select the text, we're going to duplicate it to have a backup. This one we're going to convert to curve and then select this one, go to edit mode, click the face, select, mesh, knife cut, select invert, delete the faces, and we should have like a copy of it, but with many vertices like that, so we could like curve it along this surface. Let me move it close to here like that, and this one we can make it glow, but we can't see it yet. There you go. Oh, then let's see, maybe we could try doing a shrink wrap. Oh no. Yeah, let's see. We can't use this one because it's like everything goes there. I don't like what's happening here. Project doesn't help. Oh. This one did. Okay. It got there. Let's see if we can actually see it. Let's try and render this part only. Like that. Make sure to save. And here goes nothing. Oh, it doesn't look good. So we need to adjust some stuff. Oh. What happened to the light inside this one? Oh, maybe because we lowered the light path. I'm gonna increase this one back, see if it will help. Uh-oh. Look what happened to our render. Oh wait, this one's not showing the render thing. So yeah, look at this part. Oh, my mouse not. There you go. Like the glow effect is missing. But we do have the glow here. So I'm just gonna try and fix that. It's weird. Earlier we were able to see the glow effect. Now it's gone. Oh, I think it's like it's not rendered. It's not being rendered. So let me just. Oh, there you go. It's not enabled. That's why it's not being rendered. There you go. Let me show you. Oh, I think there's a problem with OBS. Like I need to switch back and forth just to have it show. Okay, let's go back to the original problem. Let's see if this one, if the render this one. Oh, don't mind the clipping. I'm just too close to the. I'm just trying to see if the runes are like wrapped completely. Let's go back here. So yeah, I think we've done a pretty good job here. Perhaps we need to do the same at the back end. So let me just duplicate this one. Move it to the other side. And hope that it sticks to it just like before. No, I kinda don't want to. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay. So yep, we've got an emblem. We've got some runic symbols here. This side looks better. Let's see. Because in here it's very bright. Should probably make the HDR a bit darker. Or better yet, let's use the compositing later. For now, we still have like 18 minutes. 18 minutes, I think that's going to drain out real quick, so perhaps we should start doing the compositing. We did added good stuff here. I don't think we can add some more. because we're going beyond our allotted time. So yeah, let's start rendering it. So let's find a nice angle. Maybe like that. Then Control Alt 0. And then let's adjust the camera some more. Maybe like that. Let's save it and do a render. There you go. So if ever you get into our Patreon and you download this one, it's up to you if you want to change the color. But yeah, perhaps it's time to do some compositing. So let's let me do another backup save like that. Click on compositing. Yeah, we're on compositing. Move this one a little bit downwards. So we did started something here. Okay, let's start with lens distortion. So I think we should have added some background to it. Let's see what sort of background would fit a sword like this. Okay. Let me just finish this one first, and then if we have time, let's put some background to it. Filter. Sharpen it a little bit by 0.15. Then let's use RGB curve so that we could emphasize the brights and lower the dark. Or I think let's just increase the glow effect. See if 10 would be sufficient. Maybe we should add like a glare effect. Let's see if this one. Oh, it's too much. Let's tone it down a little bit. Oh, it's the reverse. Let me do my preview on my bigger screen. Let me just duplicate this one and see, maybe fog glow. Yeah, I think fog glow sells it. It glows much more. Okay, that should be enough for the compositing. We have 10 more minutes, so let's see if we can get something cool for our let me think. Let me look at my old projects. Yeah, I think this one should do. Where's my... No, not projects. Go here. Yeah, I think this one should do it. Let's see. Okay. Maybe we should add a cylinder. Oh wow, it's huge. But I think that's what we need. Like, we should be inside the cylinder. But I think we need to like cut it open. Like select both sides and delete the faces. Then maybe do a loop cut here. Oh wait, I think we should add more vertices. So let's delete this one, add it again, cylinder. Let's increase this one to like 64. Yeah, 64 sounds good. Delete the faces. Do a loop cut. Like that much. Enough to make each one like a wee bit squarish. So if we move our camera like that, we can move the move it along anti-Z, something like that. Oops. Then rotate it like that. Maybe select the vertices and then scale it along anti-Z. Oh, enable this one. Scale anti-Z. Where's my... Wait a minute. Scale anti-Z. There you go. Scale it like that. Oh. Like that. Yeah, I think that's good. We have conformed. We have conformed the cylinder for our sword. And then let's how many minutes do we have? 6 minutes. Let me do a quick save. Let's try and so that's what we have at the moment. Let's remove some of the parts. Oops. Let's delete some of the... Oh, everything got deleted. Oh no! Let's add a noise texture. That's going to define which ones are gonna be deleted. It's not working. Oh no. Yeah, it's not working. Maybe we should add a color ramp. Maybe it's too much. It's overwhelming. Power overwhelming. Yeah. Definitely overwhelmed. Let's see. Something that's not too much. Like just a little bit. Like that maybe. We could play around with this scale. Rendered view. I think we should give it a sort of glow effect. Let's go to rendered view. Let's not use this one. Let's just give it animation. That's something. What's the color complements of? Let me do a quick search. Where are my color complements? It's green. Okay. Color complement should be dark green, but it's up to you, whichever color you want. I think a one is good enough, like not too bright. And then perhaps we could duplicate, like make a duplicate of it and rotate it along the Z, something like that. Then add a wire mesh. I mean a wireframe. Why is it? There you go. Maybe make it a little bit smaller, like that. Maybe give it a different color, like the opposite of it, like that, but make it a little bit brighter, like that. Let's see how it would look like when rendered. I kinda don't like it just glowing. How do we... Let's do some camera. I think making it glow doesn't help. Uh-oh. We're gonna be over time, but it's fine. We did have some technical difficulties earlier, so I hope you don't mind having like some overtime. Make this one a bit metallic. Roughness. Let's do the same here. I'm gonna try adding subdivision. See if it looks ugly. Maybe the choice of color is the problem here. I think it's too bright. Oh, now this is interesting. Let me show it to you. The preview suddenly became out of this world. When we made the background like metallic, yeah, it suddenly turned into something cool. Huh. But then I think It would be much better if we have like a depth of field. Oh, sorry. I forgot that we're still on preview. So basically, I just enabled depth of field over here. Then set the f-stop to maybe smaller. Then let's do a render, see how it would look like. There you go. So like the far side is a bit blurry, but now we kinda can't see the sword. So let's see if increasing back the world. Oh, we didn't lower the world. So perhaps we could re-enable the lights again, but move it like in front of, oh, it's too bright. Let's move it back like that. Or not too much, but lower the strength. And maybe move it somewhere around here where it would produce like a nice glow. How about we move it back and let's see, it's still too bright. I think we might be doing it all wrong. Maybe let's just increase the emission of this to 5. Oh. Wow. Let me do a preview. Might be overdoing it. Yeah, the green one shouldn't be too bright. But take a look at it. It's too bright, so I'm gonna switch it back to 0.2, 0.1. Yeah, I think 0.1. Like we still have the detail of this sword. Although the f-stop is too high. I mean too low. I think it's much better. Although I kind of want to have like a volumetric lighting at the back to make it like a faint glow, but it's going to take much more time rendering it, so I might as well do that final rendering thing, but I'll just show you how I normally would do that. Okay, where's my mouse? Okay, so I would create I don't usually do volumetric in here. Like, I do volumetric on compositing because volumetric here is like too expensive, too CPU expensive. So like we have a cube like that, very huge cube. Go to shading. Wait, I think we should save it, save a backup of it. This one with volumetric. Click new. Delete this one because we don't need that. Then add a volume, principal volume. Connect this one to volume instead of surface, and then bring this down to about 0.2 or maybe 0.1. I think it's still too much. 0.05. Yeah, I think this one's much better. Or better yet, let's move the volume cube to the back, like bring it to -100. Let me see it from here. Like, wait, where's the sword? Somewhere here. And then, where's our point light? Let's bring the point light down here. Like that, and then bring the power down to like maybe 10. Yeah, maybe change the color as well. There you go. I'm gonna save it, and it's going to render slower. But let me show you the thing being rendered. Oh, we kinda underwhelmed the light because we have a compositing here that lowers the intensity of lights, but yeah. Let me show you another trick, but first we need to increase the light again to like maybe 50. It should like have that intensity. Then let's go back to shading. And perhaps we could add a sort of noise in here. And then add a what do you call that, color ramp. Let's just do it here to make it more like that. Come on. Then plug this one here. Let's see if we get the effect that we are looking for. Let's preview it again. There you go. So like the background is not exactly like a gradient, because if we just use if we just want a gradient background, we could just add a gradient background thing. So this one looks much better, I think. Yeah. So yeah, I think this should conclude our Double Impaler Sword Breaker. Yeah. So again, everything here, the blend file, the final renders, probably I'm gonna animate it too, will be available on Patreon. So if you're interested in getting your hands on it, like use it anywhere you want, I would recommend like subscribing to our Patreon channel, and make sure to subscribe and like the video if you like it, if you like the content here, or dislike if you don't like this one. And we could use like a comment or suggestions of anything you want modeled, because right now I don't know what to do tomorrow. So our day 10th is like still a big question mark. I'm thinking of like doing something different, because like we already modeled 3 swords, 2 hybrids and 1 like a real sword thing. So I'm thinking of doing something else. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, type it on the comment below. And also yeah, we have Forge Bits every morning. It's a pre-recorded tutorial, short video tutorials that we upload. So like every morning we have Forge Bits, and then every evening we have live streams. And so yeah, I should end the live stream now because my throat is already killing me. So once again, thanks for watching Sylpi Sophia Forge, and I'll be seeing you again tomorrow. Bye!